Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chittal Shah, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a new moon manifestation technique. This technique is very simple and it is really very effective. If you do this technique on a new moon day, you can definitely see results. All you need for the ritual is a pen, paper, a candle, and a ball. So, what we will do in this ritual is we will write our wishes on a piece of paper and then we will very carefully burn the paper with the help of the candle in the bowl. After burning the paper, we can blow away the ashes in the air or we can throw the ashes in the dustbin. This ritual has to be done on a new moon night, preferably in the balcony or terrace or on an open ground. And if that is not possible, you can do this inside your room and blow away the ashes out of the window or throw the ashes in the dustbin. So, without any further ado, let's begin with the ritual. So, what we will do is write our wishes on the piece of paper and I'll show you what we will mention in the paper. So, this is what you will write in your paper. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Ascended Masters, Spirit Guides, and my guardian angels, on this new moon day, I request you to please bless me with write all the things that you would like to receive in the coming month. So, for example, I have written here a wonderful new job with a salary of dash lakhs per annum and which is fun, exciting, and fills my heart with joy. A new car, good health and well-being, immediate funds of dash amount, happy, successful, loving, romantic partner, and a happy married life. Then here you can add sales of rupees X amount, growth in my business, or anything that you would like to materialize in the coming month. Then you will write this or better, thank you, thank you, thank you. In the bottom line, you will write your name and here you will write the date. So this is an example. Since I am filming this today on the 17th September 2020, I have written that date. But I would suggest you all to please do this ritual on a new moon night and write that date. So if you will be doing this new moon ritual in September 2020, the new moon is on the 18th of September and so you will write here 18th September 2020. You can make a draft list first and then once the draft is prepared, then you can go through each of the points and where you feel that like corrections, make those corrections in the draft and then make a fresh list. The list should not have any mistakes and it should be neat and tidy because this is sort of a prayer that you are asking the universe to fulfill. Remember to make the list with a blue colored pen. Please avoid using black color pen. So after making the list, please read this list facing the sky with a very clear, pure heart. Don't think about anything. How will you manifest the things mentioned in the list? Or what if it doesn't happen? How is this going to happen? Don't think about anything or think that, oh, I'm asking for too much or oh, I'm asking for too little. Whatever it is that you truly desire, please write everything over here. It can be 4 or 5 points, it can be 10 points, or both the sides of the page. Mention the things that you would like to manifest. Feel gratitude as you read each and every point mentioned in the list. Like you will read, Dear God, Goddesses, Archangels, Ascended Masters, Spirit Guides, and my guardian angels. On this new moon day, I request you to please bless me with a wonderful new job with a salary of say 15 lakhs each year, which is fun, exciting, and fills my soul with joy. A new car, good health, and well being. If you require immediate funds like for people right now, funds are an issue, so I have mentioned immediate funds of dash amount. You can fill in the amount over here. Then for some people are also looking for marriages and manifesting partners, so I mentioned that point as well. A happy, loving, successful romantic partner. Then you can mention on the next point a happy married life. If you are already in a relationship, you can mention over here happy, joyous married life. And if you would like to manifest a new maid, and then if there is something specifics that you would like to mention, then you can mention it in detail. Once you finish reading this list and mentioning all the points, say this or better, thank you, thank you, thank you, and then say your name, Chittal Shah, then the date 18 September 2020. You would have to burn the paper very carefully like this. Be very careful of fire. You don't want to burn yourself or your house or anything. So this is how so as you can see, the paper is completely burned. So if sometimes the paper does not get completely burned, please adjust and you can reignite the flame and burn it completely. That is completely fine. And once the paper is burnt, you can blow away these ashes outside the window or the balcony and express your gratitude towards the moon and the universe and the divine for their assistance in helping you with this wonderful new moon ritual and blessing you with all the things that you have requested. Or you can throw away the ashes in the dustbin. That is also completely fine. There is no hard and fast ritual that you need to blow away or you need to throw in the dustbin. It is completely up to you and completely optional. So I've lit this candle and I'll express my gratitude. Thank you for the wonderful ritual. Thank you for helping me to manifest all my desires with total ease, joy and glory. So I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you would like to book a personal reading with me, please contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is Chittal Shah signing off. Thank you.